Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we show how to play Rainbet on mobile in all countries. So let's start. If you want to play this kind of casino there in your computer or in your mobile phone, but you don't have access because maybe your country is not available there, well, what you can do is, for example, download a VPN. The VPN will help you to change the country that you are right now. So if you are, for example, in, I don't know, Argentina, you want to change the country, you can do it with a VPN. How you can do it, guys? Well, I recommend you to use NordVPN. As you can see here, I am in the principal page. Just go to the left side and you will find here the menu. Just click on NordVPN. Then you will start using this page. Just scroll down and let's go to manual setup. Here in manual setup, you can choose the country. In this case, I will select the country that is United States. Okay, but you can select the one that you prefer. Then here appears a bus of VPNs. Select the one that you prefer. When you select the one that you prefer, just click here on Get Setup Configuration, and then you can start using this VPN in the country. So guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us a thumb up to this video.